Mr. Lee, to whom I spoke at the meeting, is very interested in our proposal.
Fortunately, we had a good map, without which we would have got lost.
This is my friend from Canada, who I was telling you about.
Yesterday we visited the City Museum, which I'd never been to before.
Helen has 3 brothers, all of whom are married.
They asked me a lot of questions, most of which I couldn't answer. Martin tried on 3 jackets, none of which fitted him.
2 men, neither of whom I had seen before, came into the office.
They have 3 cars, 2 of which they rarely use.
Sue has a lot of friends, many of whom she was at school with.
The building was destroyed in a fire. Joe got the job. This surprised everybody.
Joe got the job, which surprised everybody.
Sarah couldn't meet us, which was a shame.
The weather was good, which we hadn't expected.